on me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
And welcome back to another episode of how to create a lace closure wig using 7x7 lace closure. And viewers, this is my 7x7 lace closure. This is how it looks. Today's video I'll be teaching you step by step how to create a 7x7 lace closure wig. And this is my Vietnamese 7x7 lace closure. The company, the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. So if you are interested, stay tuned. I will be using the Magic Collection. This is the dome cap, and this is how it looks like, dome cap. They're all from Magic Collection, and yep, these are only used for 5x5 or 4x4 lace closure wigs, lace frontals. This is okay, and this will fit medium to small heads. Whereas the skull cap is long, and this can fit from medium to large head shapes. So this is the reason why I'm showing you the difference. The writing is on a skull cap. If you're using any closures like 6x6 inch or 7x7 inch closures, I will recommend the skull cap. The reason why I'm saying that is that the 7x7 inch closures on the dome cap, you wouldn't get enough room to sew your bundles, so it's always best to use the skull cap as it fits perfect. So viewers, this is the skull cap, and this is how it looks when you put it on your mannequin head. It goes down because it stretches, and it's very, very big. I really love this, even though I've got a medium to small head. The reason why I love using the skull cap is because the wig cap is bigger and it really fits all my 5 bundles. I love extremely full hair, especially when I use longer lengths. So I like my bundles to be, or my wigs to look very full, or my weave on to look extremely full, and I always recommend the skull cap instead of the dome cap. The dome cap is ideal for lace frontal wigs and 5x5 or 4x4 lace closure. today is a series, and in this series I'll be showing you viewers how I sew my 7x7" closure wigs. This is handmade wigs, and this is the first episode of the series, and as you can tell I will be showing you step by step of how I basically achieved this look. This is Vietnamese straight hair by the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and I've got 4 bundles with a 7x7" lace closure, and I made this into a wig by myself, and you can tell the pattern is pretty deep. It can go up all the way to the back. I really love deep patterns, and I was really impressed that the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, which is my go-to hair company, do sell the 7x7" lace closures now. And also I did not bleach my closure. All I did was I used my airbrush legs, and I will leave this at the end of the video, so if you watch this video to the end you will see a video tutorial of how I basically use this airbrush and my closures to tint to have the natural scalp looking. And yeah, so if you are interested to know how I achieved this beautiful bouncy hair look, stay tuned. And also I wanted to say this is straight hair texture, and it really takes well to the curling one, and the curls will last all day. This hair is tangle free. It has medium to high luster, meaning it's a bit on the coarse texture, and it will blend well with African American hair textures, especially relaxed hair. I really love the raw hair now, and I am really impressed with the texture. The sun is shining, so you viewers can see more of a shine to the hair, but I really do love this. I really do love it. Also I wanted to say I have a 30% coupon code for you viewers. You will use my name Atibel30, and you will get 30% of your entire purchase. If you are interested to check out their website, I will leave the website down below. I'm really excited with this hair. As you can tell, I've got 4 bundles with a 7x7" lace closure, and the hair is full and bouncy, and the length is 28 inches. Length is pretty long, as you can see. Yeah, it goes down straight to my hip. Yeah, so if you viewers are interested, stay tuned and watch.